In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign, whether you're managing multiple campaigns or just need to replicate a successful one. Duplicating a campaign can be an efficient way to maintain consistency and save time. Let's dive into the process, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a duplicate of your campaign ready to go. First off, make sure you're logged into your Google Ads account. If you haven't done so already, navigate to the Google Ads website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Being logged in is crucial because this is where all your campaigns are hosted and you'll need access to them. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the homepage of your Google Ads account. Look for the campaigns icon, typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it and then select the Campaigns tab. This step takes you to a screen where all your current campaigns are listed, providing an overview of each one's performance and settings. Now that you're viewing your list of campaigns, find the campaign you want to duplicate. You'll notice a checkbox next to each campaign name. Check the box next to your chosen campaign or campaigns if you're planning to duplicate more than one. This action allows you to select the campaigns for duplication. With your chosen campaign selected, look at the top of the page for a blue bar. On this bar, you'll see an Edit drop-down menu. Click on it and select Copy. This copies the selected campaign and prepares it for duplication. Next, you need to paste the copied campaigns. Go back to the Edit drop-down menu and this time select Paste. This action opens up the Paste Campaigns window. It's in this window that you'll finalize the duplication process. If you're managing multiple accounts, you'll see an option to select which specific account you'd like to paste your campaign into. This is particularly useful if you handle a manager account and need to distribute campaigns across different clients or ad accounts. Choose the desired account for your duplicated campaign to reside in. Lastly, simply click the Paste button to complete the duplication process. Your duplicated campaign will now appear in your list of campaigns with the same settings as the original. This new campaign can be modified, activated, or paused as needed, giving you flexibility and control. There you have it, the steps to quickly and efficiently duplicate a Google Ads campaign. This straightforward process not only saves time, but also helps maintain the strategic integrity of your advertising efforts across different platforms or audiences. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage past successes for future gains with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.